Have you experienced a rattle in your F-150 EcoBoost engine or your Ford Expedition? It's cold, you turn the engine on and you hear a rattle. If so, the Jack Kane Ford Service Department can give you some assistance. Our trained Ford technicians are available Monday through Friday to assist with the diagnosis and repair of qualified vehicles. Our technicians are ready and waiting. Call us at 859-873-6666 and ask for a service appointment. Tell them it's a cold start rattle and you need to get it looked at.